Hello, I'm here today to share some tips with you about how to improve your credit. What I'm sharing with you here are general tips, and they may not apply with your personal scenario. Think twice before paying off debt and closing debts. Credit scoring actually favors older debts that are established that have been paid on time. If you need to pay off debt to qualify, it's often best to wait until closing. This is again something you're going to want to talk to your loan advisor about. It's also possible that the funds that you would use to pay off your debts might be better off used for your down payment and closing cost. Plus, closing accounts or having accounts go inactive may actually lower your credit score. Delay large purchases, such as buying a new car or used car, or even opening up a new credit card. New credit drops your credit score even if it is something that makes sense, such as trading in your higher rate interest credit cards for a lower rate interest credit card. It's a big double whammy if you're opening up new debt and trading that by paying off or closing old debt, such as when you get that new car and you're trading in your existing car that had a car loan on it, or when you are trading those old credit cards for a new lower interest rate credit card. It's very important to make sure that your debts are all paid on time, even if you're just making the minimum payment. I recommend getting a copy of your credit report. Check it for errors. If you do see errors, I don't recommend disputing them right away. Please discuss this with your loan officer as well, as that may or may not help you with your situation. Take a look at what your credit limit is and make sure that you're not over limit. If you are at or over limit, please get your balances paid under the total credit limit. This is something that will really dramatically ding your credit score. If you have revolving debts that are over 50% of your credit limit, your next step is going to be to get those debts under 50% of the credit limit. So for example, if you have a credit card with a limit of $5,000, you're going to want to make sure that your balance on there is $2,500 or less. The next step would be to work on your credit cards that have a balance that are 30% or higher of the credit limit. Paying those under 30% of the credit limit will help improve your score more. If you are considering buying or refinancing your home, I'm happy to help you. I often create plans for my clients who are getting ready to buy, even if it's a year or more away, so we can work on their credit and make sure that everything's in line for them. I'm Rhonda Porter. I'm a loan officer with New American Funding. I've been helping people for 20 years. How can I help you?